Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast video day. My name is Eric. Today is the 16th of October around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Times, and today we're gonna take a look at the Mexico peso, which is a very interesting dollar pair with a very interesting price action. We're gonna explain to you guys the view in the 4 hour, in the weekly chart, and the view in the daily chart, which they are very interesting, and it can be in the stage of trapping long dollar against the Mexico peso. As always, Elliott Wave Forecast here to help you, and let's go into the charts here pretty fast. Okay, this is the Mexico peso in the multi-year consolidation. The peso declined or peaked at January of 2017 and declined in what it seems to be a very important structure right here. Since then, this multi-year consolidation that started on the July of 2017 peak, the peso did 3 weeks back to this blue box and then react again in a very strong manner. Since then, the range has been getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and it can be given the impression of a triangle. Elliott Wave Theory was developed in the 1930s, and we in Elliott Wave Forecast, we do have the open mind to understand that the market, it is not the same market, the one that we have in 1930s to the market that we do have now, that the market that we do have now in 2019. Consequently, even though this looks like a consolidation, contracted triangle consolidation, I would say that after seeing a 5, a 3, and another 5, we in Elliott Wave Forecast, we have developed something into the theory, like I say, in which for us, a contracted consolidation, in order to be a triangle, it needs to be contracted also in momentum. And as you guys can see, there is no contraction in momentum. On the other hand, it is this low, read lowers than this series of lows over here. Consequently, with that, we do believe that the market is doing a nest, which is a series of 1 2 1 2, and that the market is gonna break sooner or later to the downside and finally breaks this low of 2017. And next is this: 1 in black, 2 in black, 1 in blue, 2 in blue. Now, from here, which is the August peak, downgrading the charts a little bit or moving here, we can call again 1 2 1 2. So as we can see, and we do understand that it is not a triangle, because this weakness here, and this low read lower than this and lower than this, or at least lower than this, and this one erase everything to the downside. So knowing that it's not a triangle, there is no other ways to keep pushing lower. Now the market is gonna retest this trend line here. It's gonna retest the area between around 19 over here, which is the trend line between this and 100% from here. And in the highest time frame is the multi-year trend line. Is here, 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 and now it's gonna be retested, and we expecting, like I say, a reaction higher, but a breaks of that trend lines to the downside is an indication that we open and lower to be around 17. But keep in mind, that a reaction from that trend line should be taking place, and the market decide the more aggressive view, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, furnace to the downside, or even the market can go and get a little bit complex over here and go a route in which the market can even retest this area over here before turning lower. But don't lose sight, it is not a triangle, and it's gonna break to the downside. What it seems to be the path or least resistance is breaking to the downside. So again, we supporting the peso, the multi-year consolidation to break lower into the 16, 17 area, and we believe over here that the market can be doing a short-term nest that is gonna retest the multi-year down from the downside trend line, and a reaction soon into these areas. At least it will be taking place, and then the market most likely is gonna trade lower into the 17, 16 area. As always, new ideas. As always, new way to see the market. The market has changed. Consequently, the Elliott Wave Theory, it needs to be changed. It is not a bullish triangle. It should be breaking lower and let the market decide if we're right or if we're wrong. As always, if you like our videos, we invite you guys to take the free trial. It's free for 14 days. Do not require payment for 14 days. It's free. After, you can become a member and enjoy this multi-market analysis, these new rules of Elliott Wave that all they can do is make you a better trader. Have everyone a nice day and see you guys around.